are in Ravelo. Our driver put us down actually a little bit quite far. Kaya we need to walk going to the center of Ravelo. We will walk up, up, up. So come and join us.
Panorama oh. Ang init lang. Bakit ang init mo?
It's really super hot, but we need to walk to go to Ravelo. So, but it's okay because the view, as you see, the mountain view, it's really beautiful. So, nakakawala ng pagod, diba? So, walk, walk, walk pa din kami. We need to go to Ravelo Center.
Ravelo. Overlooking Ravelo. Sagasti. Ravelo. Ganda ng view, diba? Sa taas kami, tinan mo. Ang taas-taas namin. Ano ba yan? Ang init, 50 degree ata. We're almost there. We're almost there. Ayan dun. Malapit na ata kami.
Sobrang init talaga, but we really need to walk kasi hindi talaga pwedeng pumasok doon ang car sa Ravelo. And here we are in Ravelo. Narating namin ang center ng Ravelo. Ayan. They have a lot of shops, small street, actually beautiful street. Yeah, shop, 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 a souvenir shop, because this is really a tourist area, Ravelo. But actually, they said that Ravelo is the most beautiful and coastal line, but I don't think so. I preferred Amalfi. It's more beautiful than Ravelo. Ravelo is actually more quiet. Amalfi is really beautiful because it's also a lot of people. It's a lot of people there because it's really beautiful.
You go there, sit there.
No, you're not allowed to sit.
Oh, where does it say? It doesn't say anywhere.
We just make a picture from
Then you should behind it, my dear.
Posing, picture are over because this is a tourist area, tourist spot. So they have a lot of shop, as I said. So we also need to do posing, picture kasi tourist kami ngayon, turista, not terorista. So kaya posing kahit saan. Look, ang overlooking niya maganda rin, overlooking mountain.
Huh? Ano? Square. Another square here in Ravelo. We came from there.
And they also have a church, actually yung pinakatuktok niya, pinakataas yun ito walk. So, so far, quite far. So narating din namin tong simbahan. Maganda rin ang simbahan. Tahimik, walang katao-tao kami lang. But it's beautiful, at least we can pray, diba? So thank you Lord sa nakarating kami dito. Maraming salamat po. So after ikot-ikot pa rin kami, ayan, may castle dito. Actually, they have a castle here also in Ravelo. So pero si Banchote na lang ang nagpunta. Hindi na ako nagpunta sa castle at nagpicture lang ako dito sa surrounding. At our driver give us 1 hour para magstay dito. So, kailangan mag-picture pero hindi naman siya ganong kalakihan. So, you can make it in 1 hour time. Maiikot mo na siya. Nakapag-coffee pa kami at ice cream. As usual, yummy ice cream. Ang gelato ng Italy. O diba? Kasi napakainit niya. Kaya ilang ice cream ba ang kakainin ko para mawala lang ang init. pero mainit pa din. So ayan, picture at malapit na ang mag 1 hour at babalik na kami sa sasakyan. So with Bryce, may namit kami parang si Bryce. So you see ang overlooking, ang ganda-ganda. So pabalik ng car, kita mo uli ang overlooking. At eto ang gelato, mamang gelato.